Guys, welcome back to Tupike Africa, where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today we'll be making scotch eggs at the comfort of our home. Kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and you're also going to learn how to make this sauce that we dunk our scotch eggs in and then enjoy. So stay tuned and kindly watch our ads. So guys, this is the ingredient rundown. Here we have 6 eggs for the scotch eggs. Remember that eggs are the main ingredient. And then we have sausages. So these are pork sausages, but you can decide to either use pork or beef sausages. Either is okay. So we're going to boil these eggs for 15 minutes. So here we're going to put water and then light up our gas. So while boiling eggs, you need water that covers the eggs, so that is enough. And then we're now going to wait for 15 minutes and the eggs are going to be properly boiled. And then this is just a tip, don't forget to add in salt. Okay, the salt helps in the peeling process. Okay, so you can just add in whatever amount of salt. It's going to help the peeling process. So we are now going to seal the sausages. Okay, and remember that you can use any type of sausage. You can use beef or pork sausages. So we are now going to start the process of removing the skin. Okay, here we are now removing the sausage skin. This is a very important process since we want our sausage to be well incorporated. They should mix and be one, and when it has this skin, it cannot mix properly. So yeah. So guys, remember that the fillings, this sausage cover acts as a barrier for the sausages to be well incorporated. So this is why you need to remove these. Also, this is how we remove them. You just come and you get to the ends of the sausages and then you start peeling. It's so easy. Okay, yeah. So after we do this, it's going to mix properly and we're going to have something that looks like minced meat. So guys, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, like and share, and also leave a sweet comment on the description bar. As you can see, I've not taken time. This is so easy. Don't be buying scotch eggs, guys, when you can make scotch eggs at home, and they're definitely going to turn out so sweet, and they are fresh, and you've used ingredients that are friendly with you. Okay. So we are almost done. As long as you get to one side of the edge, you're okay. Okay, so here we are done. Clean up the surface, and then you can decide to use spices. So personally, I'm going to use these spices. These spices are similar to mixed herbs or mixed spices. You can also use paprika, oregano for the purpose. So two are enough. So here are my spices. Just brush them using clean hands. So after that, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Remember that sausages themselves have salt, so you just add a little bit. And if you love paprika as a spice, you can use the paprika spice at this juncture. Yeah, so as you can see, we have something similar to minced meat, okay? Yeah, so everything is coming up so well. I think everything is perfect at this juncture. So as you can all see, our eggs are boiled, so we turn off the gas. Let's peel our eggs. So this is what you're going to use for coating. Here we have breadcrumbs, baking flour, uncooked egg, coriander leaves on sausages, and then here we have 6 boiled eggs. Okay, so stay tuned as we coat these eggs so that we can have the Scotch eggs. So we start the process. Here we have an egg. And these are 11 sausages. But you can use the ratio of 1:1, okay? Yeah. So ensure that you coat everything properly. Leaving no marks or spaces like so. Okay. Then the first step is that you're going to put there. Ensure that your Scotch egg is well coated. So as we do this, let me heat up the oil. So remember that you just take an egg and the sausage, then you coat it properly. For this process, you really have to be very patient. And by the way, guys, ensure that you go try out this recipe. It's usually a very nice recipe that is going to make you fall in love with eggs. Okay. And considering the fact that our sausages were spiced, that is everything. But remember that you can always use any type of spice on your sausages. Okay. Coat everything nicely. So this is a very great brunch or breakfast idea that you can consider putting it on your bucket list. And after you try it, ensure that you tell me how your Scotch eggs turn out to be. So it's just that easy. If you have such a space, you just take out a little bit of the sausage and voila. So you coat everything properly. This meal is rich in protein. Okay. The meal is rich in protein, so it can be Very, very good for people who are sourcing for fine protein meals. You can consider using the recipe above. So yeah, so this is the first step. Ensure that you coat your Scotch eggs with breadcrumbs first. Okay. Then after that you place it on the flour. So this is just normal baking flour, okay? Does not matter whether it's self-raising or not, as long as it serves the purpose. So we are just coating this, and by the way guys, it's going to have a coating similar to that of KFC. So if you're a fan of coated meals, this recipe is for you. So this is our next step where we are going to coat our Scotch eggs with flour. Ensure that you coat your ingredients very well, that they should be immersed in the products, okay? So ensure that the flour goes everywhere, like so. It's just an easy process. Just take the flour, then dust off the excess. Easy, easy. So after that, you now want to coat our Scotch eggs on the final step. Where you're going to be coating using our egg. The egg is a binding agent, since we don't want our breadcrumbs and flour to spill in the oil, so you have to really invest in this step, okay? So here you're just going to be patient. As you can see, it's coming in properly. So trust the process, guys. Remember that nothing tastes better than what? Than home food. So nothing tastes better than home food. Kindly consider subscribing, liking, and also sharing this recipe to your loved ones. And also you can also surprise them with such a meal for breakfast or also for brunch. So here we have our cooking oil, and our cooking oil is ready. So our cooking oil was already ready. Now we start the cooking process. So for this process, we're not going to shallow fry, we're going to deep fry. Okay. So as it cooks, we're going to give it time, and then we ensure that we turn around. Everything around. Guys, remember that I listed down the ingredients down on the description bar below, and ensure that you try this recipe. So we're now going to turn our Scotch eggs for them to cook to my desired color. Personally, I want them to have caramelized color. Okay, so if you want, you can just enjoy them at this juncture, but no. Okay, so you want to make sauce to enjoy the egg, the Scotch eggs together. So we're going to measure. This is chili sauce. I'm just going to put a little bit of chili sauce, just a little bit. And then this is mustard. Then we have my favorite, which is the mayo. So I'm measuring a tablespoon for each, apart from the chili sauce. Yeah. So after that, ensure that you mix everything together. Yeah, so this is our dipping sauce. It's so scrumptious, guys. So our Scotch eggs are almost ready. They don't take a lot of time. As you can see, our Scotch eggs are so loaded. This is also another advantage of making the Scotch eggs for yourself. You can load them to your own preference, and you know, yeah. So our Scotch eggs are ready. So our Scotch eggs are ready. Turn off the cooker, and then but they're too heavy. But that's a plus, you know. You can just enjoy the whole or just a half. Okay. Scotch eggs are ready. As you can see, they look so delicious. So guys, here we have our Scotch eggs, and we can start enjoying one of it. Okay, as you can see, as I told you, look at our Scotch egg. Look at it. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you've loved what you've seen. So you just dunk into the sauce, and then you enjoy. So kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't.